2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 8.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm doing a voiceover because I don't have a proper mic setup for my action camera. So this is the ride to the MALSHEJ GHAT, and the route which I am taking is from Mumbai to Shield Mahape Road. Then we are entering into the Ambernath MIDC to Barvi Dam. Then the same road is going to join the Kalyan Ahmednagar highway. So let's start the ride. Done around 60 to 65 kilometer, and on that day I was supposed to have a waterfall over there, but the sad part is the dam doors are closed on that day, so everything was dry over there, and I have decided not to take a halt over there and continue my ride. At this point I had done around 130 kilometer, and there was a lot of rain and fog due to clouds in the whole ghat section, so fog formation on the camera lens. There is not much to show in this video. I'm hoping next time I'll get a clear weather and lots of stuff to shoot.